Bullish Theta organization cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.01 and $8.74 by 2030. Market investigators accept Theta could reach $4.01 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2022 is 71 cents. Theta organization presentation. Theta's local cryptographic money is likewise called Theta. The symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two kinds of hubs on the Theta organization: ordinary hubs and asset-rich gatekeeper hubs. Ordinary hubs acquire prizes for sharing their assets, while gatekeeper hubs procure considerably bigger compensations for confirming blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the vital highlights of the Theta network is its utilization of edge storing. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client as opposed to at an incorporated area. This diminishes dormancy and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferable streaming encounter over conventional CDNs. One more significant component of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with negligible effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web blockage by dispersing traffic among numerous ways all the while. How Theta functions. The primary thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video real-time stage like YouTube or Jerk, it's likewise a decentralized organization controlled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share data transfer capacity in figuring assets on a P2P premise. As such, Theta is intended to be a more effective and decentralized approach to web-based video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are fundamentally PCs that are sent at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can diminish idleness and work on streaming quality. While Theta's mainnet deals with an agreement component that permits clients to approve exchanges and procure rewards, the stage gives great streams low idleness, and clients can procure prizes for giving transfer speed assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. The advantages of Theta. So what are the advantages of utilizing Theta? First of all, Theta means to be more effective than customary video real-time stages. By using edge servers and asset sharing, Theta can lessen both dormancy and expenses. The subsequent advantage is expanded decentralization. By permitting clients to share data transmission and registering assets, Theta makes a more decentralized network that is less helpless against control or assault. At last, Theta additionally accompanies its local token, which can be utilized to buy labor and products on the stage or marked for remunerations. Theta value estimate. The Theta organization vows to reform the manner in which we transfer video by decentralizing information conveyance and offering clients compensations for sharing their data transmission assets. The local cryptographic money of the organization is Theta token, which can be utilized to approve exchanges and stake in the organization. I'll see Theta's cost expectations for 2022 and then some. Theta has previously taken incredible steps since its send-off. The mainnet has gone live and sent off big business conferencing with Samsung VR. These victories have prompted a positive cost pattern for Theta all through the greater part of 2020 and 2021. Looking forward, there are a few impetuses that could keep on driving the cost of Theta vertical. In the first place, the reception of 5G will work on streaming quality and lead to additional top-notch streams being conveyed over Theta's decentralized organization. Second, as additional organizations take on big business conferencing controlled by Theta, interest for Theta will increment. At last, as the crypto market keeps on developing, financial backers will progressively see Theta as a decent long-haul venture because of its solid essentials. In view of these variables, we accept that Theta's cost is supposed to reach $5 by 2022. In any case, it is critical to take note of that cryptographic money costs are exceptionally unstable and possibly impacted by various outside elements like worldwide monetary circumstances or guideline changes. Our expectation ought to be considered alongside other market examinations while settling on speculation choices. The ongoing economic situations are bullish for Theta, and the cost is supposed to keep on ascending before long. I accept that Theta is a wise speculation at its ongoing value because of its utilization case in the video real-time industry as well as its accomplished group. I anticipate that it should arrive at new highs in 2023 as additional individuals become mindful of its true capacity. Theta organization current cost. Theta organization is presently worth 89 cents USD. Theta has moved 5.65% as of now with an exchanging volume of $35,880,810. Theta organization is presently positioned 47 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $891,733,895 USD. Theta organization value expectation 2022. Theta organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Theta cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $1.34. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.25 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of $1.07. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Theta Organization Theta cost prediction has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $2.23. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Theta's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.78 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.96. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.12 and Theta might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.85 and a low of $2.68 in 2024. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Theta Organization effectively helps market feeling among digital money aficionados, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2025. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $4.01, with a base cost of $3.57 and a typical cost of $3.75. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.64 by 2026, with a base cost of $4.46 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Theta has a greatest value worth of $4.90. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.53. In the event that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $5.80. Neglecting to accumulate the help Theta needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $5.35. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2028. While Theta is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $6.24 and a yearly cost close above